Fucking hell. Feds everywhere. Yikes. Feds behind me, 2 feds undercovers. What's this? KMZ.
No, I'm steady like a milli rocket. Skin clear, still look young, Andy Miller knocking. Money in my pocket. Don't call me a money pocket. Engine get your rocket. It sound like a thunder rocket. Yeah.
Yo, what's happening, guys? Welcome back to a brand new episode. Today we're going to be teaching you how to wheelie. Your fundamental wheelies are power wheelie like this, where you just use the power to bring it up, and your more technical wheelie is when you use the clutch like this. That's a more technical wheelie. Let's try first gear clutch up. First gear. See when I'm coming up, hit the brake, coming up, hit the brake, coming up, hit the brake. That is a controlled wheelie. But I take it you've never wheelied before, you don't know how to, so we're going to start with second gear and we're going to do it power, yeah? So you're going to go on the throttle, on the throttle, on the throttle, off the throttle, and as you go back onto the throttle, you pull the bars back. So on the throttle, off the throttle, and pull and give a gas. Like that. So you're going to start doing that. You're going to be getting off the floor by like an inch, which is okay. So I can still do rolling burnouts. Whoa. I hope you enjoyed this little tutorial. If you've got any questions, drop them down in the comment section below. Drop a like, drop a share, drop a comment, drop a sub. You already know. Hopefully this little step-by-step helped you with the fundamentals. The most important thing is learning foot brake. You have to learn that foot brake. Don't bother getting height and distance. That's the most important thing. People think when they get height and distance, they're gonna learn foot brake. Nah, all it is look, clutch up, hit the brake. And could you hear how I'm still going up in the revs? Same thing, slow down, go back to normal speed, 20 miles per hour, clutch up, hit the brake. With your foot, stay on the throttle. You're going to be tempted to come off the throttle all the time, because you think if you come off the throttle, no power, no wheelie. Yes, on an 07 maybe that's true to a certain degree, but if you hit balance point and you come off the throttle and you don't have foot brake, you're fucked. Because you're behind balance point, and yeah, that engine braking isn't going to bring you down. It might bring you down to balance point, but you're still going to panic and let both your feet coming off. So all it is ride and just feel that brake out, just like that. What really helped me learn it was Mr. Z8 Official. Shout out to him, because he helped me a lot learning foot brake. All you got to do is second gear, 20 miles per hour, go on the brake. I'm on the brake right now, on the brake. Drag the brake and clutch up, hit the brake harder, because you're already pressing the brake. You're already pressing the brake, so you're on the brake just the slightest bit. Clutch up, hit the brake harder, and that's how you learn foot brake. Congratulations. All that bullshit saying cover your brake, yeah, everybody covers your brake because your foot's naturally there anyways, but it's about actually learning that muscle memory in your foot to fucking press the thing. I was stuck and I couldn't get it. Now I'm like inches away from scraping because I know foot brake. Like look, brake, let go, brake, let go, brake, let go, brake, let go, brake, let go. There you go. That's all it is. And in the end I was catching a little bit too much speed, so that's no good. What's wrong with it? Tapping it, just slightly tapping it, really good, very good, very nice. All right guys, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. We're gonna end it like we always do. Stay safe, ride safe. Peace. In a bit.
Used to run through the money, now I'm too old. Man, I'm just playing. Shot when I land. Promoter pay for 6 flights. Got the team right. I just told Mr.